So this video we are going to talk about how to use a funny face on your video before you post it online. If you want to maybe just do some funny face, all those funny face that you used to see online. So this video I'm going to show you where to find it on the InShot. Yes, InShot, how to use InShot and get the funny face in your videos. You understand, guys? Just support your girl, just comment, hard, just comment, share, like, hard, life no hard. You understand me? I no feel lie for you now, I go lie for you, I no feel lie for you now. So guys, I was saying that we are going to use InShot, but now I've changed my mind. Let's use CapCut. CapCut is going to be easier for everybody, all right? And the funny face is going to be very okay, okay? So let's make use of the CapCut. Make sure you have CapCut in your phone, like I always said. As an editor, make sure you have a CapCut in your phone and InShot in your phone. I am still going to bring in other app that really makes sense or go well with funny face. So you use it to add funny face in your video. So let's go, guys. All right, okay, let me make use of this video here. Okay, so you click on edit, or if you don't want to click on edit, you can just click on effect here. See this effect to be very easier. The effect, you click on body effect. It's coming, it's just loading. Body effect, then you scroll looking for funny face. You scroll, you see funny faces here. You click on it. If you want background image, you click on them, but they're looking for funny face here. So you click on funny face, then you start selecting. You see? In this video, we are going to talk about how to use a funny face. Alright, you can see that. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use a funny face. Okay. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use a funny face. So I'm just showing you, you can select anyone you feel like, anyone you want, anyone, do you understand? So guys, just follow my page, trust me, you are going to learn a lot. Follow my page, like my videos and share. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn a lot, guys. At least support me so that I can be doing more on this, I don't want to grow alone. This is what people are doing to make their videos go viral, to make their videos lovely online, you understand? So, that is it. I think I'm going to make use of this one. Which one? Is it this one? We are going to talk about how to use a funny face. Is it this one? We are going to talk about how to use a funny face. Let me use this one. Be like say, if on a no go know me again. We are going to talk about how let's make use of this big mouth. Okay, big mouth. So how to do it now for everything to, if you leave it here, it's not going to get till the end. Do you understand? So you have to duplicate it so that you see that you can adjust it with your hands. All right. Then you touch it. So you touch it so that it will be highlighted. Then you adjust it, like you duplicate it. All right. It's on editing now, so you don't expect the video to be very short. Okay. You're going to adjust them. You touch it again. Then you click on duplicate. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry. You click on duplicate. Then you use your hand and adjust it. Make sure you adjust it, take it up. Right, that's it. I'm just trying to make the video to be very short, but it's not my fault. I have to show you this part. If I don't show you this part, you will end up not having the funny face in all the videos, in all your clip. I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about. You will end up not having it in all your clips. You will just end up not having it in all your clips. It will just be only in one part, and the other side, like all these ones, to show you my face not the funny face don't enter again. But all these ones, you see, because I am taking it to other clips, that's the language I can use for you to understand. I don't want to go to harder language if you don't really understand, maybe editing, computer language and all of that. So here we go, trying to make it go round. I wish if I duplicate, the thing would just stay where I want it. I could just do and go back, everything would just finish. But you just have to bear with me. We are learning, right? So you gotta bear with me so you learn fast and you learn well. Because if I don't show you this part, you will not know that this is how we used to do it, so that your effects can stay till the end of your videos. Do you understand? Anything you are doing, you have to make sure that you duplicate and paste it like this, so that your effects can go around your videos. So, okay, that's the end. Okay, let's see.
I don't feel like for you now.
You see?
Nah.
So this is the end. The end here, you can just touch this place and then you delete. You understand? So that everything will be equal and equal and equal and equal and equal. Ouch. Alright, so
In this video, we are going to talk about how to use a funny face on your video before you post it online. If you want to maybe just do some funny face or just funny face.
Like this one you are seeing like this because there's a small gap here, alright? So let me close the gap. I don't want the video to be long anyway. You can adjust it with your hand. You can try to adjust it to close the gap, alright, so that no gap will be showing. The thing will just the flow they go. You get? I don't want to delay this video. So this is it, guys. Okay, let me not reduce it because it's.
So this video we are going to talk about how to use.
I wanted to remove the original background voice, but let me leave it because now the video we talk about now.
Funny face that you used to see online.
Let me remove it. So that you can hear me well. Okay? That's why I'm removing the background volume. So you export your video, guys. Follow your girl, support me. Okay, let's go.